Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your server region in Arc Raiders. Let's begin by opening the settings. Press the gear icon or the back button, and if you press the back button, from there go to settings. Then make sure you're in the gameplay section. Under online, look to the server. Here, by the default, is turned to automatic. But if you wish to change the server location, you can change it to Oceania, South America, Asia, North America, Europe. Or I'll leave it to the game. Basically leave it to be chosen automatically. Then when you're ready, go back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.